Hello everyone, this is Sakshi Saxena here, and today I am going to discuss class 2 EVS lesson 2 part 4. I have previously done part 1, 2 and 3 in which I have done the exercises and I have explained the chapter also, and today is the last part in which we are going to do question answers. So this is lesson 2 and the heading is answer the following questions. You have to do these question answers in your copy. Rest of the exercises can be done in book only. The first question is, what are external body parts? Name some. I have already explained in the chapter. The organs means the parts which can be seen from outside are known as external body parts. For example, arms, hands, legs, etc. So, external body parts are the parts of our body which can be seen from outside, and here I have given 3 examples. Coming on to question 2, name the sense organ which help us to feel. I told you have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So which sense organ helps us to feel? Skin helps us to feel. This is the only sense organ which helps you to feel. Now coming on to question number 3. How many hours of sleep does our body need? You all sleep and eat. So they are asking how many hours of sleep you need to be fit. So our body needs at least, means minimum of 8 to 10 hours of sleep a day. Means if you sleep for 8 to 10 hours a day, it will keep your body fit and healthy. Fourth question, name the external parts of our body that are present in pairs. Pairs means they are 2 in number. Not all organs are 2 in number. There are only few parts which are 2 in number, external. So the external organs that are present in pairs are, first is eyes, you have 2 eyes; ears, you have 2 ears; hands, you have 2 hands; and legs, you have 2 legs. So these are the 4 external organs which are in pairs. The last question is, write 5 things we should do regularly to keep ourselves fit and fine. Regularly means on daily basis. So the 5 things which you should do regularly, daily, to keep your body fit and fine are, first is you should brush our teeth twice a day. You should brush your teeth twice a day. Second, you should clean your tongue. You should clean your tongue. So here we will write clean our tongue. Okay. Third, take bath daily. We should take bath daily. Fourth, comb our hair. We should comb our hair daily. Fifth, we should eat healthy food. Remember I told you to avoid junk food. So these are the 5 question answers which you have to do in copy. Rest of the exercises in video third part which we have done, they can be done in book. Okay, but these question answers should be done in copy neatly and you should learn them. Thank you.